Good morning and sliding into afternoon. Judy, Allan here with Adventurous Stamping and also ZoeNanaStamping here in San Antonio. So today it's all about making an alternative from this month's paper pumpkin kit, and technically it's October's, right? It comes in a little bit. Deadline was always on the 10th of the month, and then the kit comes in toward latter part of the month. So with that, we're making an alternative. We were live on the last weekend of October. So this is our first alternative, and let's go down the hands and see what we're going to do today, because we're going to throw in a little extra cardstock and we're going to use those envelopes. Alright, let's do this. So you can see here's the kit in the box, and I apologize for all the whiteness because I forgot we moved some of the stuff that helps take the glare off of a glass desk. So this is a kit for October, and it came in for us around the 21st or so. You order it on the 10th, right, every month. So we're going to be using items out of here. The only thing that's not from here is the cardstock. So that's why I said we're going to get a little help from cardstock here in just a second. Let me get us some additional lighting. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, there we go. All right, so what we're doing today is we're literally going to take the envelope, and I've cut it up. All right, so here's what the envelope looks like. It's real fine lines there, brown lines. Hello, Jennifer. Thank you for joining in today. If you're out there, be sure to say hello, emoji or something, because when we do the door prize drawings, that's how we get your name in there. So what I've done is I come and I have just literally cut this apart. You can see here's the original size. And I'll piece it back together for you and see how it goes. Alright, so that's how it was originally, and all you do whenever you want to use the envelope is just gently get the sides off. You can cut that off just enough to open it up, and then when you do that you end up with these pieces. Alright, so I'm not using the back piece today, but you can see where I can easily cut this up and use it, right? And this, I could use part of it, but I get the sticky adhesive off there. So basically, I just took the front of the card, and once it was trimmed off, I cut it in half. So when I did that, I might have to flip this over, find something up here. I got something right here, do this. So when I cut the front of the card off, I ended up with a piece that is 4.5 inches by a little less than 3 inches. It's not quite 2 1/4 close, but it's not 2 1/4. But literally, I just took it and cut it in half. That's all I did. All right, so I'm going to flip it over, though. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a layout just like this. All right, so we're going to put this down, and I'm just going to go ahead and use adhesive because it's all about the need for speed, right? So for me today, because I'm getting ready for Coker Fest, which is tomorrow at Coker Methodist Church here in San Antonio. So if you want to come out and say hello, we'll give you a gift, and we'll be there from 9 to 4. So for me, this time of the year, and most of the time, it's all about can we get it done and how fast can we get it done, but make it beautiful at the same time. So I am going to go ahead and put this down also over it. And then in this kit, we had some very beautiful not sunflowers, I'm going to say sunflowers. I got sunflowers on my mind. It's snowflakes, beautiful snowflakes. Between snowflakes and sunflowers, I've got it made. And I'm just going to do it just to the side like this here. Alright? And then here are the snowflakes. They're very nice, pretty, and reflective. You can see. I am just going to put a dimensional right here in the center. And I'm going to see if the large dimensional will work. I'm not sure. I think the smaller one's going to work best. Yeah, that one's going to fit perfectly. Alright, let me get that one out of the way then. And then I'm just going to put this right here in the center. And then basically, we have a very beautiful card already. So basically, all we need to do is add a tag. And so this came in a kit. You know this was because I just dissected the envelope. And this is a tag that's already pre-cut and everything for you in the kit. And I'm just going to simply put Holly Jolly, right? So we want you to have a holly jolly Merry Christmas. And I'm going to stamp it like this. And then I'm just going to put it on here with, some dimensionals. Just give it a little height. Because I did the snowflake on small dimensionals, I'm going to need to do this one on small dimensionals. Because otherwise it'd be higher than the snowflake, and I really don't want it higher than the snowflake. I'm fine with them being the same height, but I just don't want them higher, right? Okay, so there you go. And then our kit, I'm just gonna put it right here, right? It's just I don't want to cover my snowflake. I'm just gonna put it to the side there, so it looks very nice right there. Now the kit also did come with some bling. You know we always like bling. So let me see if I can grab that bling. It's just in a very, very, very small bag. And let's see. I had it. Let's see here. Let me grab another one. I got another one right here. It's like in this very small bag. So you do have some bling in here. We sort of didn't notice it at first. Here we go. It's just in a very small bag like this. And I'm just going to add it right here. And with this bling, if you wanted to color it, you can. You would just take whatever color you want it to be, and these will sit there and let you do that. So I'm just going to put one here. And if I want to add some red to that, I can. I'm going to put some there. And then just another one right next to it. Alright, so you got your holly jolly. Just a very simple card. Like I said, we can color these red. I can do that right for you. If you keep all of your ink spots, like I keep all of my ink spots in a previous box, and I also color code them so I know what they are. So I don't always know, like if it looks red, like this is real red. So I just use a tool from my regular other stamping pads, and I take it off there and put it on here so I know the color. So all I'm going to do with this here is I'm going to take a blending brush or blending tool, and yes, I'm going to do it on the other side. And then I'm just going to take this here and I'm just going to color them. So you're going to have to work with it if you really want it really, really dark. But the thing is, I just want to show you that you can color these. You know, and it just gives it an extra little color if you want the extra color. It still keeps the sparkle. And I can do that. Now if you want to keep on, like I said, applying it, you can. But you just have to let it dry, right? And so I didn't quite let it dry. But at least you can see, and that's what I want to show you, is that you can color those. Alright? And you can color them with stuff that you already have that we've used previously. So that's why I always tell you to hold on to all the stuff from each kit, because at the end you end up with a collection of colors that you can use for other things. So with that, I hope you enjoyed that, because it's just simple and quick, right? No reason why you can't create a Christmas card, because that was simple and quick. We just cut the envelope, added a snowflake, and added our tag and stamped our tag, and there we go. We have a nice, simple, beautiful holiday card. So with that, I hope you enjoyed that, right? Because it's all about creating, sharing, and giving. So go out there, create, share, and turn around and give it to somebody and make their day. Be blessed, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Teach Me Nana. Bye.